Okay, Bazaruto Island, we're going to the reefs and then do some fishing. Okay, so this morning we went out to the island. We came up with massive crayfish. There's a beer for some measurements, and then this is to the locals a rockfish. I don't know it, but we don't have anything to measure it with. So 440 millimeters.
It's like 500.
So I think this is at least 500. And then Travis shot it there. Pa, perfect shot. Travis,
Guys,
what's going on here?
these are these lovely tropical crayfish we caught today.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the size of those things. Like everything. We private aquarium fish as well.
Yeah, and they all taste very good.
And it's got two horns. Like we've got one horn on our crayfish at home. Two horns. Look here.
And,
Like
and they are massive.
like a little reindeer, you know? Fish is next.
And this is our lovely half a meter fish. Our crayfish is cooked. We're putting that fish on the grill as well.
Meat is meat.
Okay.
That's what we eat.
Right on.
Sê dankie nog vir kreefstert en avou buns met jou mayo. Loop so stroop. Travis, hoe loop hy dan? Lekker.
Next level.
Next level.
Ja,
Next level.
so nice.
Kenny is al op sy tweede ene.
Hy loop.
Hy loop. Dewald het die woorde nie.
Baie lekker.